How to get around Athens, Greece. A comprehensive guide. Athens, Greece, a city brimming with history and culture, offers numerous ways for visitors to navigate its ancient streets and modern neighborhoods. Whether you prefer public transportation, taxis, or exploring on foot, this guide will help you make the most of your time in Athens. The Athens Metro is one of the most efficient and reliable ways to get around the city. With 3 main lines, the Metro connects key areas including the airport, city center, and popular neighborhoods. The Metro stations themselves are a sight to behold, often adorned with artifacts and artworks that reflect the city's rich history. Operating from early morning until midnight, and later on weekends, the Metro is a convenient and quick way to travel. Buses and trolleybuses provide another excellent means of transportation in Athens. The city boasts an extensive bus network that covers almost every corner of Athens and its suburbs. These buses operate frequently, and most routes run from early morning until late at night. For those staying in central areas, the express buses that connect the airport and the city center are particularly useful. Trolleybuses, which run on electricity, cover similar routes and are a more environmentally friendly option. Trams are a great way to travel if you're heading to the coastal areas of Athens. The tram network connects the city center with the southern suburbs and the coastline, offering a scenic route with views of the Saronic Gulf. The trams run frequently, making them a reliable choice for those wanting to explore the seaside. For visitors who prefer more flexibility, taxis and ride-sharing services are widely available in Athens. Taxis are relatively affordable compared to other European cities, and they can be hailed on the street, found at taxi ranks, or booked via phone or app. Ride-sharing services like Uber also operate in Athens, providing an easy and convenient way to get around. Cycling is becoming increasingly popular in Athens, thanks to new bike lanes and rental services. Companies like Athens by Bike offer guided tours and bike rentals, making it easy for tourists to explore the city on 2 wheels. Cycling is a great way to see the city at your own pace while enjoying the pleasant Mediterranean climate. Walking remains one of the best ways to experience Athens, particularly in the historic center. Areas like Plaka, Monastiraki, and the Acropolis are best explored on foot, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the city's ancient charm. Many streets in these neighborhoods are pedestrianized, providing a safe and enjoyable walking environment. If you plan on visiting several attractions, consider purchasing an Athens City Pass. This pass offers unlimited travel on public transportation, including buses, trams, and the Metro, as well as free or discounted entry to many of the city's top sites. The pass can save you both time and money, making it a worthwhile investment for your trip. In conclusion, Athens offers a variety of transportation options to suit every traveler's needs. Whether you prefer the convenience of the Metro, the flexibility of taxis, or the scenic routes of the trams and buses, getting around Athens is straightforward and enjoyable. To discover more tips and insights on traveling in Athens, check out the associated playlist or the recommended video in the description of the video you just watched.